Hello. This is just going to be a really quick video. It's kind of practice at an idea I had to do. Picturing, I want to take two videos at once. So the GoPro is looking at the multimeter and the phone camera is looking down at the circuit board. So just doing I'm just doing a quick test to make sure that those solid state relays roughly carry the same current when the voltage is reversed. So I'm going to, so if this works, I'm going to switch on the power. So it's got the power supply to this board is 3.3 volts. The multimeter and the sense voltage is just 4.4 because I picked a value, and the multimeter is measuring the current through that resistor there. I mean, that's at the moment it's going to be, well, the intention is that then analog digital converter is going to be plugged into that when I get my act together and do something. So at the moment, so what I'm going to do now is swap the wires on the power supply. So we want about 1.5 volts DC across that resistor, 100 ohm resistor. Let's see if it's in the opposite direction. Yeah, so it's just reversed, but it's about the same. So the switches are bi-directional. When I switch them off, I've noticed though one thing about them. I'm going to switch one switch off. Okay, so that's working better. I think I was doing something. So I switched one off, and there's zero current. So I switch it back on, and there's measuring voltage which indicates there's current. I think I was doing, I don't know what I was doing before. Something strange was going on. Both power supply. Okay. Why? So when I okay, I thought before that something weird was happening, that it wasn't dropping to zero. There it is. Let's try and turn it all off. Turn it on. So I'm still testing these solid state relays, and I'm trying to figure out better filming methods. So this, what I'm using, so the GoPro sits up there watching the multimeter or anything, or the power supply. The stand weighted, and the two arms, so the mobile phone shoots down through there. It sort of works. I'm not super happy. And at the moment, I bridge the diode, and I'm applying voltage at different polarities between there and there. But I swear that before, when I took off, when I opened one of the switches, it didn't go to zero, but now it is. Which I don't understand. Maybe that was... No, that's not going to... Strange. Unless I... I don't know what I did. Anyway, well, it's sort of working. So you can tell one of the LEDs goes out. So that's just indicating I'm controlling the switch. So they're not actually that useful. I thought it was a great idea when I did it, but doesn't seem to be. Anyway, that sort of works. And now I've got try to synchronize these two bits of video, sequences of video, and see if this works. Anyway, thanks for watching.